I just forgot to start the stream. Oh my god, I can't believe I did that. Oh, oh boy. So, folks on YouTube, my apologies. I am just now turning on the YouTube stream. I can't believe I totally forgot to hit that. I was like, why has YouTube been so freaking quiet all morning? My apologies. That's 100% on me. Hey, Unknown Reviews. I was actually talking about you at the beginning of this. I'm like, I'm surprised I haven't heard from Unknown Reviews. Oh man, I feel like such an idiot. I'm sorry, folks. My apologies. I had this stream running all morning and just forgot to hit one last little button on YouTube to yeah. You could have just been like, hey bro, we can't hear you or see anything or anything like that. Oh my god. I feel so dumb. All right, sorry folks. I do apologize. I've been doing the stream all morning. I just forgot to hit go live on YouTube. Yeah, golly, I'm sorry. I'll make sure to make up for it on Thursday. I'll make sure I start the stream when I'm supposed to start it on Thursday. God, I was so perplexed why YouTube was like no viewers and no activity, no responses, no nothing. Oh, God. Sorry. Yeah. Oh, man. Oh, God. I can't get over this. I can't believe I like sat here and was like, man, YouTube is just like off today. What's going on with our YouTube feed? Do we need to like start advertising it or what's happening? And it's because I'm an idiot. So my apologies, folks. My apologies. Let's do this though. For those of you who joined on YouTube, well, yeah, my brain is always going 100 miles an hour in 10 different directions. But here's what we'll do for the yeah, anyone there? Hello. All right, so what we're going to do for you folks on YouTube is I'll go back through the trade plans that we took a look at. We'll recap them. I'll repost them. Hopefully, can you guys at least see the trade plans in the chat? Please confirm that. So I know you got the links and stuff for them already. Yeah, my bad. But yeah, I'll give a quick recap over everything that we've talked about so far. So right now we were working on this SoundHound trade plan. My apologies again for the oversight there. So let's talk through this. I'll also do a real quick recap of ES. So let's see how fast I can talk through this. So this is going to look a little bit different. I was just talking about this, so you guys are just now hearing it on YouTube. Doing a little bit of a different approach on this in that we've got our call entry is going to be our stop loss for the downside trade plan, and our put entry is going to be our stop loss for the call side or bullish side of the trade plan. So a little bit of a different look here. But here's the chart again. Golly, I can't believe I did that. I mean, I tried to be superhuman, but I guess I am human. All right. So what was he spamming? I missed it. All right, so what are we looking for here on SoundHound? We're looking for a break over 1392. That should bring targets at 1514, 1664, and 1805 with a stop loss average down at 1284. That 1284 is also our downside entry for our trade plan. So a break below 1284, we should see targets at 1055, 940, and 845 with the stop loss average down for the downside plan being our call entry there at 1392. So for those of you on YouTube who I've totally left in the lurch this morning, again, my utmost and sincerest apologies for that oversight. I can't believe I did that. We also did Netflix. For Netflix, we're looking for a break over 849.02 with targets at 868.85, 881.47, excuse me, and 890.37 with a stop loss average down at 837.60. Downside trade plan, we're looking for a break below 825.30 with targets at 804.71, 788.82, and 773.31. Stop loss average down shared with the upside trade plan there at 837.60. And then we did, was it just Netflix and Sound? I feel like we did one other one. Or did I use the same chart for something? Oh, we did Tesla again. That's right. We did a new Tesla plan, or updated our Tesla plan. So Tesla, again, I can't say enough. Be careful about being too aggressive on this entry at 415.74. Preferably get the break over back test entry and then look for your price targets to the upside at 426.49, 434, 54, and 446.60 over that 415.74 entry. Again, preferably on a back test entry. Stop loss average down for that upside trade plans at 407.96. To the downside, we're looking for a break below 402.92. That should bring targets at 393.98, 387.16, and 378.47. Shared stop loss average down there at 407.96 with the upside trade plan. We also did recaps for the member selected tickers for those who are in our Discord. So NVIDIA kind of played out without us. Really nothing to see there. It needs to break over 137.11 and then test at 140.11 to really get going. AMD's looking great. 200 SMA bounce on the weekly. We talked about this in our Discord yesterday. It's been pushing up from there since. Also, if you notice here on the hourly, nice confluence with Neptune there at 120.80. So a break over that could break things to the upside and get AMD moving again. And then Amazon was also on our member selected trade plans. This one, we're still waiting for a break over that 220.73 confluence target there at 225.08 for the upside. But you guys, I think, know how to read these charts now at this point. And then one thing that I mentioned on ES that's going to be pretty key is this 59.1625 level on ES. We need to break over that. If we do, there's a potential head and shoulders pattern that might play out. We should see 59.44 from there. We've got that 200 SMA confluence right there. But that 59.1625, we keep rejecting that key selling pressure range there on Neptune. We also have an established support and resistance, what was a prior fib extension level there, adding to that confluence of resistance. So that was your hyper speed recap of everything that we went over while I forgot to start the live stream on YouTube. I'm so sorry, guys, but I will not make that mistake again, and we will be back Thursday morning at 8:30 a.m. I will start the stream for YouTube promptly at can we do options and which expiry date for these plans? So no, AI music is everything. Yes, you can do options, absolutely. Expiration, I always recommend giving yourself at minimum 30 days, preferably even more. More time is better in the world of options. If you play too close, if your expirations are too close, you know, your plan could work out perfectly and you don't make a lot of money if it chops or if theta becomes a factor. There's all kinds of things that become very, very problematic if you're dealing with short expiration options contracts. Yeah, or dig yourself a hole. And the other thing that I'll say about short expiration options or longer expiration on your options contracts is I have never, ever, ever had somebody reach out to me and say, JT, I'm doing really well on these calls that I'm in. I'm up 40%, but I just don't know what to do with them because I have too much time left. I've never had anybody say that to me. So even if your intent is to only hold for a week, or even if you only wind up holding for a week, you know, I prefer to close out options contracts that still have, you know, 30 plus days left on them. And I've got no qualms doing that. So yeah, always buy more time, more time, more time. Is my recommendation there for you, AI music. So with that being said, I want to thank you all so much for being patient, especially on the YouTube side of things. My apologies. I had OBS, I had everything going except for that one last little click in YouTube this morning. So again, I feel horrible for missing that, but like I said, it won't happen again. Please come back Thursday morning. I will make sure that we start promptly at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on YouTube and in Discord. So with that, I do need to go get the daily SPY plan put together and published in the options watch list. So I want to wish you all a fantastic day. As we always say here on the Xtrades FOMO live stream, plan your trades, trade your plans. Keep your wins big, keep your losses small. Go out there and get some green. Have a great day. I will see you guys in the chats, and I will see you back here Thursday morning at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, my bad on the YouTube side of things, guys, but we'll make up for it Thursday, I promise. All right, take care. Talk to y'all soon.